everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Valentine's Day heart kaiju. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Valentine's Day kaiju, let's begin with the eye. Let's start by making a big checkmark shape like this. Next, let's go ahead and draw a curve for the actual eye. Let's add a couple little lines right around the eye for some detail. Then let's make a little line right above here for the eyebrow. Let's make another line here. Then let's make a line that's going to go down and up, down and up, down and up for some teeth. Then we're just going to continue this. Let's make this line come down, and then let's put a couple more sharp, jagged teeth on there. Let's draw a line that's just going to kind of wiggle around here. And then let's bring it back to here. Next, let's just curve this down. Let's bring this line down and then another line down here for the other side of the mouth. Next, I'm going to bring this line down to here. Then let's work on the leg. I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come down here. I'm going to make a sharp claw here. And we're going to make another sharp claw here. We'll do one more right here. Let's go ahead and make a line that's going to curve up to here. Then we're going to bring this around. Then let's go ahead and connect this. We can add a couple little curved lines kind of right around the toes. Do one there too. Let's make another leg over here. Let's draw a line that's going to come out and then down. We're going to make a big claw here and then a smaller one right here. Then we're going to bring this line up and in and then bring it up to here. Let's do a curve here with a couple lines and then a curve here, a couple lines. Next, let's jump over here and make this line right here for like a tail. Next, starting here, I'm going to curve this line right to here. And then we're going to curve this line right around to here. I'm going to bring this line out and then down. I'm going to make a big claw here, and then another big claw right here. We're going to curve it around for a thumb. Bring this up and then over into here. Then I'm going to bring this line down. Kind of curve it down to there. Next, over here, I'm going to bring this line up and down. I'm going to make a sharp claw right here. Then I'm going to make another sharp claw here. We're going to bring this around for this claw. We're going to bring this up and then down to here. Next, I'm going to add some little claws on here, some little curves on each finger. We can kind of do that same thing here. And we'll add these claws here and this one here. Let's make some little lines coming down here. And then a couple little kind of wrinkle lines by the knee. Let's also go ahead and put some spikes kind of coming down the back of our little Valentine's Day heart kaiju. We can even do like 2 dots here for a little nose. And then maybe bring this line down a little farther. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Valentine's Day heart kaiju. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.